Welcome back to digital class, and this is a discussion of booklet number 4, the 12 types of heuristic problem sum concept. And now we are looking at one unchanged quantity concept. And now, when it comes to one unchanged quantity, you need to understand that this involves two or more than two parties, and at one of the parties must be unchanged. Okay, so let's look at the question and I'll explain further. Now, here says that the ratio of number of yellow buttons, okay, let me just quickly highlight yellow buttons, to the number of green buttons that Mariam had was 2 to 3. Okay, so let me just draw the concept here. I have yellow, Mariam have yellow and green, and the ratio was 2 to 3. Now, what happened is after she bought 27 more green buttons, means that now these green buttons should be added 27 more. The ratio of number of yellow buttons to the number of green buttons now became 4 to 9. 4 to 9. And now they're asking how many buttons did Mariam have at first. Now, this question actually is a very simple question. Why? Because again, we know that there's one thing that is unchanged, which is yellow in this case. We know that green have actually added 27 more, but yellow actually is unchanged. We didn't add anything or didn't take away anything. So this yellow we have here, like 2 to 4, should be the same. Okay, it should be the same. That's why what we need to do is to make it the same. 2 and 4, we need to look for the lowest common multiple. Okay? And for this case, of course, we know is 4. So what we do is we will times 2 here to make it 4 the same. And of course, if we times 2 here, we need to times 2 here, and here it becomes 6. Now, after we show that these two are the same, then we can look at green. 6 become 9. Why? Because there was an increase of 27. So 9 minus 6 we know is 3, increase of 3 unit, and we know that the increase of that 3 unit is because of that 27. So this 3 unit is equal to 27. Then I can say that 1 unit is equal to 9. Is it correct? 1 unit equal to 9. Now, the question now was asking that how many buttons did Mariam have at first? Have at first means that we need to look at the upper ratio, not the bottom ratio, right? At first. However, there's old ratio and new ratio. Which one should I use to add? We need to use the new ratio. So 4 plus 6, which is the total number of buttons at first, which I know that 4 plus 6 equal to 10. So 10 unit will be equivalent to 9 times 10, and that is equivalent to 90 buttons. That's all for this question. What we need to do is to make one side the same, then we can solve the rest. Okay, that's all for this one unchanged quantity concept. It's very simple, and I hope you learned something. Thank you. See you. Bye bye.